Hi guys, you are watching OIT Center. If you are looking for the alternative of TeamViewer or AnyDesk, or if you are facing the this time counter issue onto the AnyDesk, and so you need to change your remote access software, and we have a better option in open source application like RustDesk, and it is absolutely safe and secure and popular option we have. So you have it is open source, so you have to just click on to the RustDesk. Once you click on it, then you have an option of download, and then you will have a link of Windows. So if you have a Windows application, you can do that, or if you have any other operating system, so you can choose accordingly. Let me click onto the WSI file for the Windows. So once it is downloaded, I will install it in front of you, and then we will check the connectivity. Believe me, I personally use this RustDesk, and I am absolutely impressed. Its results and smoothness and connectivity is far better than the AnyDesk and TeamViewer, and most importantly, it is open source, so it is free. And another thing is very important, that we can also deploy onto the local server. So if you need a dedicated video onto that how we can self-host it, the RustDesk, so let me know in the comment section. I will create a video on that topic as well. So once it is downloaded, then you have to double click on it, then you have to run anyway, and it will be installed instantly. Very lightweight, beautiful, amazing, and install. So you can see that how light it is, and it is being installed in front of you immediately without any delay. So done. That's it. This is your remote address like AnyDesk or TeamViewer. So let me copy this. It gives you more convenient option than the as if you compared with the AnyDesk or TeamViewer. If we click onto the three dot, then you will have general settings. You have language settings, recordings. Even you can record your session if you are giving the tutorial or anything. Then you will have a most importantly, you have a security options, and then inside the security options, then you have to unlock the security. You can set the password as well, and you can choose the one-time password as well. In my case, I'm going to set this password because I will show you a demo. So I have set this password, and once set the password, then I'm going to connect in front of you. Okay, one thing is very important, that respected or subjective RustDesk is also available for Apple Mac as well. If you have Apple Mac, or if you are an Apple Mac user, then you can use RustDesk as well. So I'm going to connect my Apple Mac to the Windows machine. I just copy the RustDesk of Windows machine and going to paste here. I've already pasted here, you can see that, and just I'm going to click on to the connect, and now we have the password. You can see that how fast it is, and we have you can see that it is working absolutely fine. And once you use RustDesk, you will definitely feel better performance than the AnyDesk and RustDesk, and most importantly, it is the best alternative, and it is open source and available for free. And you can also deploy onto the self-host server if you want. So if you want a separate video for the self-hosted server, let me know through the comment section. I will create the separate video for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe with the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. Stay safe. Bye bye.